Hi friends, let me show you these LED garage lights that I got for reviewing purposes, okay? This is a large set. It's recommended for garage or for gyms or for playrooms. We have all the connectors here, installation accessories. Okay, so you get all the accessories, the connectors, the sides of the hexagons, and you are able to build a rectangle of 190 by 95 inches, okay? 190 by 95 inches, okay? So I am going to put it together, install it, and see how it looks. It's easy. You just have to connect sides like this, okay? And you keep building. One hexagon, as you can see, it's really big, large, okay? It's kind of a foot each side, and you put them all together. Let's do it. So friends, as you can see, this is a super bright lamp. This is just about half of what you get. We could put together some more hexagons, but as you can see, for my house, this is enough. This is my playroom, and I am going to leave it here. So when I have friends visiting or a party, we have all this light. Thanks.